So, hello everyone. Good morning. Sorry for some technical issue. So, welcome to today's webinar. And by the way, my name is Hashini J. Kazan, And today we will be discussing modern link signals that can actually move rankings. So we all know that SEO has changed over the years. And it's no longer about getting as many backlinks as possible, but it's about earning high quality, relevant, and trustworthy links that truly make an impact. And I know every one of us here is very familiar with SEO, with rankings, and traffic. So before we will explore and discuss the modern link signals, I have question here to give you a short idea about what we're going to discuss this morning. So here's the question. Okay. So why is traditional link building less effective today? Um, you can comment down your answer in the comment section and I will be reading it. Answer. So why do you think traditional link building is less effective today? Okay. Someone answered, Miss Kazupe Kanyete. She answered letter B. Okay, how about the others? And also Miss Charisse B, Miss Shai B. So, all right, let's find out what's the answer. So, you're correct, guys. The answer is letter B. It's um, search engines prioritize link quality, relevance, and context over quantity. Because, but to understand why this matters, let's first look at what traditional link building is and why it's no longer as effective as it used to be. So, traditional link building is the old practice of getting as many backlinks as possible to improve search ranking. And it focuses on the quality or relevance, often without focusing on the quality or relevance of those links. So yeah, the traditional link building, they focus on quality over quantity. So that's the meaning of traditional link building. So now let's go on to the um, few examples of traditional link building. So here's the example. So and traditional link building. So why traditional link building is less effective? So here are some of the examples. So one, mass directory submissions, wherein submitting your websites to many low quality directories just to get backlinks. Number two, low quality guest posting networks, posting articles on poor quality websites only to gain backlinks. Number three, automated link building tools, using software to create backlinks automatically. And it is often producing spammy links. And the last one, it's large scale link exchanges, swapping links with many websites to manipulate search ranking. So, traditional link building focus on getting as many backlinks as possible. And today, Search engine prioritize quality over quantity. So now let's see how much you remember with the examples mentioned with the next question. So, which of the following is considered untraditional link building tactic? So, which do you think of the following is considered a traditional link building tactic? So, you can comment down your answer in the comment section. So, here's a comment from Miss Cherise. She answers C. And also Miss Faye, letter C. All right, let's find out what's the answer. So, yes, it's letter C. Mass directory submission. So now that we understand why traditional link building tactics are no longer as effective, so the next question is, what should we focus on using instead? So now let's go through the 5 modern link signals that actually move rankings and can help your website. So, so here's the 5 modern link signals that can move rankings and to help your website. So don't worry, guys. These signals are not related to any typhoon, so don't be scared. But rather, these signals can eventually increase your rankings. So starting with the most important one, it's the topical relevance. So topical relevance means getting backlinks from websites that are related to your topic or industry. Search engines trust these links more because they make sense and provide value to users. So for example, a home improvement blog is linked to a roofing company, so it it is both talk about homes. So the link makes sense and they are relevant to each other. And another example is if your website is about fitness, a link from a health or fitness blog is a good backlink. But if a link is from a gaming website, isn't as useful because it's not related to your topic. So now that we covered the importance of relevant backlinks, let's move on to the second modern link signal, which is the editorial placement. So editorial placement is when a backlink is naturally added to the main content of an article because it provides value and supports the topic being discussed. So it's not just about getting a backlink, where its place also matters. So a link placed naturally in the content is called an editorial link, and it's more valuable to search engine. So now, so in editorial placement, guys, we should remember that choosing the right location for your link can make a big impact. So here are the best decision on where to place the link. So we can place it inside the introduction, or you can also place in the body of the paragraphs and or near a related keyword or phrase. So that's where we can that's the best location to put our link. But we all know that not every location on a web page is has the same value. So here are the places you should avoid when adding backlinks. So number one, avoid adding it or placing it in the footer, sidebar, and on the author bio. So, all right. Now that we've talked about placement, this time let's focus on the quality of the website providing the link. So, let's go to our next signal. So, authority through trust. So, authority through trust means getting backlinks from websites that are trusted and respected. When a trusted website links to your content, so search engines see your website as more reliable, which can help improve your rankings. So, how can you tell if a website is trustworthy? So, here are the few things to look for. So, look for sites that publish original content, have a real audiences, and show evidence of expertise. And last one, receive engagement and mentions. So instead of chasing as many backlinks as possible, we must focus on earning links from website with a strong reputation. Because we must remember that quality backlinks come from trusted websites. So now let's look how brand mention and link context add even more value with our next signal. So here's our fourth signal, the brand mentions and link context. So brand mentions happen when other websites talk about your brand. Even without adding a link, this tells search engines that your brand is recognized and trusted. Also, a link is more valuable when it fits naturally into helpful and relevant content. So instead of being added just for SEO. So, okay. So that's the signal number 4, brand mention and link context. So now that we've seen or we've discussed the signal number 4, let's move on to our final signal. So this signal shows how real people interact, and it's brand mentions and link. Oh, no. So here are the examples, guys, of brand mention and link context. So example, a travel blog recommends the best places to stay in a city, and naturally mention your hotel in the article. So, because the mention fits the topic and it's helpful to readers, search engines see it as a positive signal and can make uh, uh, a best for your ranking. So, here's what we need to avoid. So, a cooking blog linking to our car repair website. Here's the example. Why it's bad. The topics are unrelated, so the link doesn't look natural. So we have to make sure that our brand is mentioned naturally and content that is related to your business. Because the more relevant the context, the stronger the link signal is. So now that we've covered or discussed the signal number 4 and um, let's go on to our final signal. So signal number 5, traffic and user engagement. So it shows how people interact with your website. So if visitors stay longer, read your content, and explore more pages, it tells search engines that your website is helpful and valuable. This can also improve your search rankings over time. So, so this action shows that search engine that your content is useful because the best backlinks not only improve rankings but also bring real visitors who are interested on your website. So when people click on your link, it can lead to referral traffic. Visitors come to your website from another website. Number two, brand awareness. More people discover and recognize your brand. And the last one is user engagement. Visitors spend time reading, clicking, or exploring your website. So that covers the 5 modern link signals that can improve your SEO. So let's have a recap. The number 1, topical relevance. Number 2, editorial placement. Number 3, authority through trust. 4, brand mentions and link context. And the last one is the traffic and user engagement. So let's check your understanding with these questions. So, which link signal focus on getting backlinks from websites related to your niche? So, which link signal focuses on getting backlinks from websites related to your niche? So, you can comment down your answer in the comment section. So, which link signals focuses on getting backlinks from website related to your niche? Okay, I've seen some comments here from Sir Jed, Sir Miss Jessie, from Miss Faye, Miss Michaela, Sir Jed. Okay, let's find out what's the answer. So the answer is letter B, topical relevance. So the next question is, where should a high quality backlink ideally be placed? So where should a high quality backlink ideally be placed? Is it A, B, C, or D? Where should a high quality backlinks ideally be placed? Okay, here's a answer from Sir Jed and Michaela. Their answer is letter C. Okay, you're correct, guys. It can be placed within the main content of an article. So thank you so much for your comments, guys. So I think it's the last question. So the next question is, which link signal helps bring real visitors to your website? So which link signals can help bring real visitors to your website? Is it A, B, C, or D? Okay. Okay, from Miss Faye, Miss Cherise, and Miss Shai and Miss Shirel, their answer is letter letter C. And it's correct. So traffic and user engagement. That's the answer. So to wrap up, remember that modern link building is no longer about getting the most backlinks. It's about earning the right ones. So we must focus on the topical relevance, editorial placement, authority and trust, strong link context, and real user engagement. Because when these five signals work together, they create stronger foundation for improving research rankings and building long-term SEO success. So thank you so much everyone for joining, for participating today's webinar. And I hope you find these insights valuable and can help your ranking. So the best results don't come from shortcuts and SEO and life because lasting success comes from consistency, credibility, and real value. So once again, thank you so much everyone for joining me today, and I hope you learn valuable insights. So thank you so much, guys.